Why does a chicken sneeze once and the internet immediately calls it an emergency? If you've ever asked for chicken help online, you've seen this pattern. A short post goes up, a photo, a quick description, and within minutes, the advice escalates. Isolate immediately, treat aggressively, assume the worst. But most backyard chicken situations aren't emergencies. So why does online advice treat them that way? The first reason is missing context. Online helpers see a moment, not a pattern. They don't know what your chicken looked like yesterday, how she usually acts, or what just changed in your environment. With limited information, people default to worst-case explanations. It's not because they're wrong, it's because uncertainty pushes advice toward extremes. The second reason is emotional risk management. No one wants to be the person who said, "Wait and observe," if something later turns serious. Escalation feels safer than restraint. Advising isolation or treatment protects the advisor, even if it adds stress for the chicken. There's also a strong bias toward illness over normal biology. Molting, seasonal slowdowns, social reshuffling, and short-term stress responses often look dramatic. Online spaces tend to label unfamiliar behavior as pathology instead of variation. A healthy but odd-looking chicken gets treated like a crisis. Small backyard flocks amplify this effect. In city and suburban setups, people keep fewer birds. When one chicken looks off, it feels like a big percentage of the flock is at risk. That emotional weight pushes urgency higher than the situation may warrant. So how do you tell the difference between a real emergency and something that just looks alarming? The answer is function, not appearance. True emergencies usually involve rapid decline, loss of balance, severe injury, or being blocked from food and water. Non-emergencies often look messy, but stable. Eating, drinking, moving, and interacting still matter more than how dramatic a chicken appears. Online advice rewards intensity. Calm responses don't spread as far as urgent ones. "This is probably normal" gets ignored. "Act now" gets attention. Over time, that trains advice culture to escalate first and sort later. None of this means online chicken groups are useless. They're excellent for pattern recognition and shared experience. The problem starts when every situation is treated as if delay equals failure. Backyard chicken care works best with observation before intervention. Hours and days often reveal trends that minutes can't. Many issues resolve once stress passes, seasons shift, or social order settles. Use online advice as a menu, not a diagnosis. The calmer your response, the clearer the information you'll gather, and the fewer problems you'll accidentally create. Please hit that like button and subscribe, and don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.